In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Buy with PayPal button from a Shopify product page. This change is perfect for those who want to streamline their product pages while still keeping PayPal available as a payment option during the regular checkout process. If you're ready, let's dive right into the instructions to make this happen. First thing you'll want to do is head over to your Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, look for the Online Store section on the left-hand side of your screen. It's usually located in the middle of the sidebar. Go ahead and click on Themes. Now this brings up a page where all your active and inactive themes are listed. Identify the theme you're using for your store. This is crucial because the changes need to be made to the correct theme. Once you've found it, look for a button that says Customize and click on that. This will take you to the theme editor, where you can adjust various visual and functional aspects of your online store. With the theme editor open, direct your attention to the top of the page where there's a drop-down menu. Click on this menu and look for an option labeled Product Pages. Selecting this option will allow you to access the settings specific to the product pages of your site. Now, in this section, you'll need to seek out a setting that mentions dynamic checkout buttons. Depending on your theme, this might be labeled slightly differently, but you're looking for something like Show Dynamic Checkout Button. Once you find this, you'll probably notice a box that is checked. To remove the Buy with PayPal button from your product pages, all you have to do is uncheck this box. Doing so won't affect PayPal as a payment method in general. It simply removes the dedicated PayPal button from the individual product listing pages. After you've unchecked the box, it's important to make sure that your changes are saved. Look for the Save button, usually located at the top right corner of the page, and click it. This ensures that all the changes you've made will be applied and visible on your live site. And just like that, by following these straightforward steps, you've successfully removed the Buy with PayPal button from your product pages. Remember, customers can still choose PayPal when they proceed to the payment section during the regular checkout process, preserving PayPal as a convenient payment option without cluttering your product pages. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in optimizing your Shopify store's appearance. Feel free to explore other customization options in the theme editor to enhance your site further. Happy selling!